Cybersecurity is one of the highest paying tech skills right now, but most beginners never start. Not because it's hard, but because they're confused. Where do you begin? Do you need coding? Do you need a laptop? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to start, even if you're a complete beginner. A lot of people are interested in cybersecurity, but they get stuck before they even begin. They watch different videos, read different advice, and end up more confused than when they started. Some people think you need to be a genius, others think you need to know how to code first, and many believe you can't start without expensive tools. But the truth is much simpler. Cybersecurity is not one single skill. It's a field made up of different roles, and each role requires a different path. For example, some people focus on protecting systems, while others focus on testing systems to find weaknesses. Some roles are technical, while others are more about analysis and decision-making. So the first mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. Instead, you need to start by understanding what cybersecurity actually means. At its core, cybersecurity is about protecting systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access or attacks. That's it. Once you understand that, everything becomes clear. Now the next big question is, do you need coding? The answer is no, at least not at the beginning. There are many areas in cybersecurity where you can start without writing code. What matters more is understanding how systems work. Things like how the internet works, how websites function, how attackers think. Coding can come later, but it's not your starting point. Another big concern is resources. A lot of people believe you need a powerful laptop or expensive tools, but the truth is you can start learning with very little. There are free platforms, free courses, and even mobile-friendly resources that allow you to begin learning cybersecurity basics. What matters most is consistency, not equipment. Now, let's talk about direction. Cybersecurity has different paths, and choosing one early can save you a lot of time. Some common paths include ethical hacking, network security, security analysis, digital forensics. Each of these paths requires slightly different skills. For example, ethical hacking focuses more on finding vulnerabilities, while security analysis focuses on monitoring and defending systems. So instead of jumping between everything, choose one path and start building skills in that direction. Another mistake beginners make is focusing too much on theory without practice. Cybersecurity is a practical field. You learn by doing. Even simple exercises like understanding how a login system works or how passwords are stored can help you think like someone in the field. Now here's something important. Many people quit early because they don't see progress, but cybersecurity is like learning a new language. At first, everything feels confusing, but once you understand the basics, things start to connect, and that's when growth becomes faster. The key is to follow a clear path instead of random information. That's actually why I created a beginner-friendly guide that breaks this down step by step. Not just what cybersecurity is, but exactly where to start, which path to choose, the skills you need, and how to move from beginner to getting your first opportunity. If you're serious about getting into cybersecurity, you can check it out in the description or visit my store in my bio. With less than $4, you could save yourself your time and resources by knowing where to start, when to start, and if you're going to start at all. Cybersecurity is one of the best opportunities right now, but the people who succeed are not the smartest. They're the ones who start with clarity and stay consistent. So don't overthink it. Start small, stay consistent, and build your way up.